Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make apple mousse. First, select about 2 pounds of crisp, sweet apples. Peel, core, and chop them into small, uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. Next, combine the chopped apples with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon in a saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the apples are very soft and easily mashed. This creates the flavorful base for our mousse. Once your apples are tender, transfer them to a food processor or use an immersion blender to create a perfectly smooth puree. Ensure there are no lumps remaining for that silky mousse texture. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the apple flavor and prevents browning. Allow the apple puree to cool completely, ideally chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. A cold base is crucial for the next step. Now, for the signature airy texture, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will become grainy. Next, gently fold the whipped cream into your chilled apple puree in 2 or 3 additions. Use a spatula and a light hand, incorporating the cream without deflating it. This careful folding is key to achieving a light and fluffy mousse. Overmixing will reduce the volume and airiness. After folding, spoon your delicious apple mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Cover it tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the mousse to set properly, ensuring a delightful texture. Before serving, you can garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a few toasted nuts, or a fresh mint sprig for an elegant touch. For more great kitchen finds and deals, including those leak-proof containers, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade apple mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.